Hello, welcome to a pin overview of the Pelikan M400 brown tortoiseshell pin. This is the packaging that it comes in, your typical Pelikan box with the fake faux leather casing, which inside reveals the pin itself. Very beautiful pin. I really like the looks of this. I really like this color in particular. The striation, very amber-like look with various degrees of brown in there. You often can see it's kind of translucent. You can see the ink sloshing around in there to tell when you're running low. On the finial there, let's see, there we go. You have the Pelikan logo. The cap itself is 24 karat plated. You have the banding here, which is Pelikan. Nothing on the finial. Take it off to reveal the nib, which is two-toned in nature. It's a 14 karat gold nib, and this doesn't seem to be doing it much justice, but there's the scrolling. Just a gorgeous pin in its own right. Very comfortable pin to hold. I have small hands, but it's very comfortable to write with. You can post the pen, and it still stays very evenly balanced. So for those with longer hands would be very comfortable using this size pen. I never post my pens, and I'm very comfortable writing with it posted. Again, just an extremely attractive pen. This is probably one of my favorites of this Sovereign series in terms of color. I really like it a lot. It writes as well as it looks. Just a beautiful, beautiful pen. Now, just to give you a comparison, size-wise, I have a couple pens that we can compare it to. Here's the Platinum Century 3776. Here is the Pilot Vanishing Point. This would be the Custom 73. Here we have Pilot Metropolitan. So you can see it's a smaller size pen. It is pretty much as small as the M200. Pretty much about the same size. But like I said, doesn't bother me at all, quite frankly. I really love this size. This is actually a perfect size writing pen for myself, and I have heard others, men who have bigger hands, who actually love this size as well. This is a piston filling mechanism. This end cap here unscrews, and then you fill the pen this way. I'm not going to do it now because it's full of ink and I don't want to get it everywhere, but it is a piston filling mechanism system. The threading on the pen is very smooth. That's got to be, it feels like less than a turn, honestly. But maybe it's one full turn. Comes off very easily. I'm going to just do a writing sample here real quick to show you how well it writes. It writes as beautifully as it looks. This is a Rhodia lined pad. I'm going to be using Pelikan Brilliant Brown. That's what I have it inked up with here. Let's just give a quick look at it. Again, we have the Pelikan M400 brown. Tortoiseshell. We have the Pelikan Brilliant Brown. You can see I'm writing quickly here, and you see how well it writes in a quick writing sample. Very smooth here. This is the downstroke. This is a regular line. I can spread it a little. Look at that. It really, I mean, it's a lot of spring in this nib. Cross stroke. This is a medium nib. However, it was originally a broad, brought down to a medium nib. I got it from the nib Smith, Daniel Smith. And he took it from a broad to a medium. This is actually a cursive italic. Having trouble writing here today. Italic, it's in 0.5 millimeters. Extremely smooth writer. I mean, this is one of my favorite pens to write with. Never a hard stop. Writes really smooth. Very wet. Just that little bit of ink down on the paper. Look how much, how wet that gets just from that little bit of ink. Writes extremely well. Just a wonderfully wonderful writing instrument. Love this pen. Smooth as butter. Reverse writing, you can squeeze that out as well. Does a pretty good job. Nothing but good things to say about this pen. A great writer. A wonderful look. This is a limited edition pen that Pelikan released in the end of 2016. I believe it was September, if my memory serves me correctly. I don't know if it was limited, so I don't know if this is still for sale somewhere, but if you can still find this pen, I highly recommend you get it. Thanks for watching. Peace.